Okay guys, today I have a little recipe. It's so simple. What I have here is 4.5 cups of organic Gala apples. I've got 10 soaked prunes. That's it. I'm going to blend these up, maybe put some raisins on top, some cinnamon as a garnish. That's a little breakfast snack, okay? I call it a snack because this, my wife and I'll just share this, and it's not much. So I'll be eating more this morning, but this will hold me for a little while. So, little snack for breakfast. And today, well, let me just tell you, Hurricane Ian is, just about in the Gulf of Mexico, and it's heading towards where I am in Naples, Florida. So yesterday, I pretty much prepared the house here. I got all the furniture tightened up, the outside stuff, the loose stuff, because, they're saying this could be a Category 4. So, you're going to get winds with a Category 4 up to 130. I don't think at this point we're going to take a direct hit. It'll probably be north of us, but we're still going to get some pretty high winds. I'm hoping only 45, maybe something like that. So we'll see. So today I got out. I did some backwards walking for my workout. I did about 10 minutes just to get loose, get warmed up. I did push-ups. I did donkey kicks. When I was younger, I used to be a sprinter, and I had strong glute muscles. And now as you get older, I'm almost 73, your glute muscles tend to get weaker and your butt kind of flattens out. So I've been trying to do, back extensions and some donkey kicks and strengthen that area up a little bit and maintain my speed. So what else did I do? I did some V's on the back extension. Those V's are really good with the back extension, gets your lower back and up into your middle back. So I did those. So that was pretty much it. I did about 60 push-ups so far. I'm going to go for 100 today, so I'll do another 40 throughout the day, and I'll do more stretching. The other day I did a workout. I did a lot of squats and a lot of split squats. And my legs were sore the next day. I was surprised. So usually I don't get that sore because I'm eating so much raw food. But I was sore, so I've had to stretch those areas. Now, when you get sore, the best thing to do is to lightly stretch those muscles with like a pulse. So you're doing a squat, you're going down deep, and then just pulse up a little. Pulse up a little. And you're activating, you're getting the blood flow back into that sore area. That's going to make that area heal up and feel better. So, and today I'm also, remember those nice persimmons that I had? And I made that nice persimmon banana smoothie. I'm going back today to that persimmon tree. I want to get whatever I can off that tree before the hurricane hits. So I'll make another video of that. So there it is. I'm going to blend that up. I'm going to fruit up 4.5 cups of apples, 10 soaked prunes. Okay, there you have it. Apple butter. Without the butter, baby. No butter in there, but that's apple butter. Okay, awesome stuff. And what you can garnish this with, you can use grapes, are awesome. Use some organic grapes. Sprinkle a few walnuts on there. Sprinkle some raisins on there, even coconut. Awesome. Now, when you blend this, you have to start low. Put it on low, use the tamper, and then as it starts to emulsify, then you can speed it up a little bit. But start on low, work your way up, tamp it, and you're going to get some awesome apple butter. Prunes, remember, good for the digestion. Apples also, very good for the intestinal tract. So please subscribe to the channel and post any questions or comments. I really appreciate your comments. I read a lot of comments, but I don't have time sometimes to answer a lot. If I think it's an important thing to answer and it's going to cover a lot of bases, I will. But I really appreciate your subscription, and I'm going to keep on this journey. There's no other place to go. I mean, where are you going to go? Keto? No, thank you. Paleo? No, thanks. Carnivore? Absolutely not. That's insanity. Yes, people that are under 50, yeah, you can survive, but you're doing damage to the inside of your body. You know, once you get over 50, you're opening yourself up to diabetes, heart disease, and cancer if you're on a high carnivore diet. That's the truth of the matter. So there's no other where to go but vegan. Vegan is the only way. So I highly encourage you to make that move. And, you know, it's so important for your health. So important. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and post those questions or comments. I'll do my best to get back to you. It's time. It's time to fruit up. Fruit up, baby.